Many of you have been asking me about my family in Florida, Hurricane Colleen. The third hurricane in a year, came right where my family lives. And my mother and my brothers are doing okay. Several of my cousins lost their homes and businesses completely on the coast. And if you want to just be a part of helping us minister to people there in the Big Bend area and other parts of our country that were affected by Hurricane Helene, you can do so by going to celebrationchurch.org/disaster relief, or leave an offering in the buckets as you leave, or there in the panels by the sliding booth and by the sound booth.